Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is a DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about one of the concept in Terraform, which is depends on meta argument. Before that, I am making a lot of videos with effort related to cloud and DevOps. I believe these videos are helpful. If you find these videos are helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel and follow for the more videos. Let's dive into today topic. So as we see are in the Terraform series, I have made a order which of those videos you can watch out in the playlist. So today we are going to see about one of the concept which is on depends on. So before that, why we are using this depends on? Actually, Terraform will create every resources by parallelly. By default, it will create 10 resource at a time. So you can even modify those thing by adding few comments. Uh, but when we create with parallelly, there is some slowness will be happen. For example, you are creating some VPC, and inside that you are creating 20 to 30 resources. Then at a time it will create all 10 resources in the same time. But once the VPC get created, then only we can able to create other resources. So for that, it will take some time. So even that it's using implicity method, we can explicitly mention that the resource creation in the order. For that only we are using depends on. So this depends on will work based on the explicitity. So let's see with some demo today. For that I have the script already in my repository. So this is the script what I have. So here we have the Terraform block and the provider block, and I have total three resource creation. So the resource one is I'm going to create VPC, then Internet Gateway, then Elastic IP. So here I have mentioned the resource VPC will be get created, but here you can see that other two resources inside that I have mentioned depends on. So this is the meta argument which you are going to use here. So what it is going to do, basically here after mentioning depends on, I have mentioned AWS VPC, so which is in the resource of VPC, then VPC dev, this is the name of that particular resource. So it is going to depend on this resource. What it means, after this VPC get created, then I asked it to create this internet gateway. So like that I have ordered the resource creation. Same like that, here I'm creating the elastic IP. So here I'm using depends on meta argument. I mentioned here internet gateway. So once this internet gateway get created, then I'm asking to create this elastic IP. So like that I have mentioned. So here the resource one will get created, then resource two will get created second, then it will get created third. So let's see in the demo how it will work. Let's first give Terraform init. It's going to pull your models providers if you have mentioned anything, and it's also going to download your plugins as well. So this is what we'll do with Terraform init command. Post Terraform init command, we can use other two commands. So one is we can use a Terraform FMT. Let's clear the screen. Terraform FMT will format if anything not get aligned with the canonical format. So here I have only one file which is main.tf. It done. Next we can test this file using Terraform validate command. This validate command will whether any not specified argument. For example, instead of this VPC underscore hyphen, if you are mentioning underscore, then this file should not get valid. You should not use like this. Okay, you always use only hyphen and not should not use with underscore, then it won't get valid. So like that it will do the validation process. So now we are going to do Terraform plan. Once we are giving Terraform plan, it will show you all the resource creations we have defined in our configuration file. Total three resources which is going to add. So one is VPC and internet gateway, then we have the elastic IP. Now we are going to give Terraform apply command. After giving the apply command, it will refresh our state file if it is there. We don't have currently state file. After refreshing that, it will again showing the plan. It asking to enter whether yes or no. We are giving yes. Once we are giving the S, it's going to create all the resources by ordering. You can see that now it's creating the VPC. After VPC get creation completed of 4 seconds, it's creating the internet gateway. Then after creation of this 1 second with internet gateway, then it got created with elastic IP. So now we have defined everything on explicitly. That's why working like this. Even if you want to destroy all this, we can use Terraform apply hyphen destroy command to destroy this. So by giving this command, it again going to destroy our old resources. um, Even it will do by the order. You can see that now it's refreshing our state file, and this is going to show you some plan whether we can do destroy or not. Now I'm giving S. So once I given the S command, it's going to delete all resources. You can see that first it deleted the elastic IP, then internet gateway, then VPC. So we have mentioned everything on explicitly. That's why it's deleting on explicitly by ordering with the some format. So this is like that depends on meta argument will work, and you can use it in your resource creation. I hope this video is helpful with this concept. If you find this videos helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and follow for the more videos. Let's see you in the next topic.